Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We all know about event loop and call stack topics, but there are some fascinating JavaScript code snippets to understand how JavaScript asynchronous operation work under the hood. These type of questions definitely you will be face in interviews. Let's walk through the code and see how these components interact. First line, this is a synchronous operation. It executes immediately and prints to the console. And next, set timeout. This is a web API. When it's called, the browser starts a timer. Once the timer finishes, the callback function is moved to the macro task queue where it sits and waits until the call stack is empty. And next, the code inside a new promise constructor runs synchronously. It prints promise to immediately. Next, it calls a set timeout, which is web API. It performs same like previous set timeout and send to the macro task queue to wait. Dot then block is a micro task that also waits because promise is still pending. Now call stack is empty. Event loop starts. It sees set timeout 1 in my macro task queue. It executes it, which is then puts a promise 1 callback in the micro task queue. The event loop runs promise 1 from the micro task queue, printing promise 1. Next, it takes set timeout 2 from the macro task queue. This resolves the main promise, putting it dot then callback into the microtask queue. The event loop runs the dot then callback from the microtask queue, printing dot then 1 and adding a final set timeout to the macrotask queue. Finally, it runs the last set timeout from the macrotask queue, printing resolve 1. And now let's see the output, and this is same as our line by line execution. Can you try this one? Please comment the output and explain. If you feel this is useful, please like and subscribe for more videos.